In the high-speed world of professional sports, wildlife, and documentary photography, there exists a camera designed not just to keep up, but to lead the chase. The Canon EOS R3. Mark II isn't about chasing megapixel wars or flashy gimmicks. It's about delivering unmatched speed, reliability, and precision for professionals who can't afford to miss the shot. It refines the proven DNA of the original R3, blending cutting-edge autofocus, blistering performance, and rugged dependability with meaningful updates that make it one of the most formidable cameras of 2025. And yet, make no mistake, this is no incremental refresh. The EOS R3 Mark II brings a newly developed sensor, AI-powered autofocus, expanded connectivity, and refined ergonomics that push Canon's flagship mirrorless ethos further than ever before. In this deep dive review, we'll explore everything about the R3 Mark II, from design and handling to sensor performance, Canon's world-class color science, autofocus evolution, video muscle, and even its advanced LAN and connectivity features. Grab your monopod, check your memory cards, and let's dive into why the R3 Mark II might be the most important pro camera of the year. Canon has always built its flagship cameras like tanks, and the EOS R3 Mark II continues that tradition while introducing subtle refinements that balance durability, comfort, and control. At first glance, it remains unmistakably an R-Series Pro body, complete with an integrated vertical grip, magnesium alloy chassis, and deep, sculpted ergonomics. But a closer look reveals meaningful evolution. The grip has been subtly reshaped to improve comfort during long shooting sessions, while the overall weight has been trimmed slightly without sacrificing rigidity or stability in hand. Full weather sealing ensures absolute reliability in the harshest environments, whether you're shooting trackside at Le Mans, battling desert sandstorms, or working in the unpredictable rains of the Serengeti. One of Canon's most innovative features, Eye Control AF, makes a return in the R3 Mark II. Now faster, more accurate, and capable of tracking your gaze across the viewfinder with uncanny precision, providing a level of subject engagement that feels almost futuristic. The tactile controls remain highly customizable, giving professionals the freedom to adapt the layout to their personal workflow. And Canon has introduced a new smart function button near the shutter release for instant access to frequently used settings. The electronic viewfinder itself has been upgraded, offering a brighter, sharper display with a higher refresh rate that makes tracking fast-moving subjects smoother and more fluid than ever. On the rear, the vari-angle LCD benefits from improved resolution and enhanced touch responsiveness, ensuring flexibility for composing from difficult angles, shooting low to the ground, reaching overhead, or even vlogging in the field. Every dial, switch, and button has been fine-tuned for responsiveness, delivering that reassuring Canon click feedback that professionals have come to rely on. Ultimately, the Canon EOS R3 Mark II's design is not just about ruggedness, but about a seamless, intuitive, and dependable shooting experience crafted for working professionals who demand the highest level of performance in any condition. The Canon EOS R3 Mark II represents a major leap forward in sensor technology, with its newly developed stacked full-frame CMOS sensor delivering 36 megapixels, striking a perfect balance between the original R3's 24 MP and the ultra-high-resolution EOS R5. This resolution sweet spot provides sports and wildlife shooters with greater cropping flexibility while maintaining Canon's hallmark speed and responsiveness. Its back-illuminated architecture maximizes light-gathering efficiency, resulting in exceptionally clean files even at high ISO levels, making it a powerful tool for low-light environments. Paired with the advanced Digi-IC X2 processor, the camera achieves faster throughput, superior tonal rendering, and more refined noise control, ensuring professional-grade image quality across a wide range of scenarios. Dynamic range performance has also been extended, giving photographers more freedom to recover shadow detail and protect highlights in RAW files, which is crucial for high-contrast shooting situations. True to Canon's reputation, the R3 Mark II delivers exceptional color science, with natural contrast, accurate hues, and skin tones that look lifelike straight out of the camera, ideal for professionals who value reliable results with minimal post-processing. JPEGs are rendered beautifully for immediate use, while RAW files provide vast latitude for creative editing. When paired with Canon's stellar RF lens lineup, from versatile zooms like the RF28 to 70mm f2.L, to super telephoto options such as the RF 400mm f2.8 LIS, the R3 Mark II's sensor fully capitalizes on their optical performance, extracting incredible sharpness and micro-contrast. Low-light shooters in particular will appreciate its clean output at ISO 6400, with ISO 12800 still producing highly usable images that retain detail and color integrity. More than just an upgrade in resolution, this new sensor elevates every aspect of imaging, making the EOS R3 Mark II an exceptionally versatile flagship camera suited for fast-paced sports, challenging wildlife, and even detailed editorial or commercial photography, cementing its place as a powerhouse in Canon's professional lineup. Canon has long been recognized as the gold standard in color reproduction, and the EOS R3 Mark II reinforces this legacy with even greater precision and depth. Designed to perform across every lighting scenario, this camera excels whether you're capturing the intensity of fast-paced action under harsh stadium lights, the delicate subtleties of portraiture in natural daylight, or the shifting tones of landscapes in unpredictable weather conditions. The R3 Mark II's new sensor and processor combination works seamlessly to produce images with smoother tonal transitions, richer gradations, and deeper blacks that add a striking dimensionality to every frame. Saturation is rendered with vibrancy, without ever slipping into artificial exaggeration, making colors appear both lively and authentic. Skin tones remain one of Canon's most celebrated strengths, and here they are delivered with warmth, natural beauty, and a flattering realism straight out of the camera. A hallmark that portrait photographers and professionals in every field continue to trust. Challenging hues like deep reds and bold blues, which often cause digital sensors to falter, are handled with remarkable poise, ensuring that everything from team jerseys to wildlife plumage is reproduced with unmatched fidelity. Beyond its natural rendering, the R3 Mark II offers photographers creative flexibility through Canon's refined picture styles, giving options that range from faithful, true-to-life color to punchier, editorial-friendly profiles ideal for action or commercial work. Further customization is available through in-camera controls, where users can fine-tune hue, saturation, and contrast to their exact preference, making it possible to deliver JPEGs that are polished and publication-ready, without requiring time-consuming post-processing. This combination of high-resolution detail with Canon's signature, trustworthy color science ensures that every image not only captures the scene, but also conveys its full emotional resonance. The R3 Mark II doesn't just record reality, it enhances it with consistent, reliable, and distinctly Canon color rendering that makes images come alive in a way few other cameras can match. The Canon EOS R3 Mark II sets a new benchmark in autofocus performance, making it one of the most advanced cameras for action, sports, and wildlife photography. At its core is Canon's dual-pixel CMOS AF2 system, now supercharged with deep learning AI that pushes subject recognition to unprecedented levels. Beyond people, animals, and birds, the R3 Mark II's algorithms now detect vehicles, helmets, and protective gear, an essential advantage for motorsports and high-speed environments. The headline innovation is the second-generation Eye Control AF, which allows photographers to select and track subjects simply by looking at them in the viewfinder, seamlessly merging human intuition with machine intelligence. Combined with Canon's AI-driven subject detection, this creates a shooting experience that feels effortless and almost telepathic. Speed is another area where the R3 Mark II excels. The mechanical shutter reaches up to 14 frames per second, while the blackout-free electronic shutter delivers an astonishing 40 frames per second. Thanks to a faster sensor readout, rolling shutter distortion has been nearly eliminated, making the electronic shutter fully viable, even for professional-level sports. The deep buffer ensures long bursts of raw shooting without hesitation, so no critical moment is missed. Usability has also seen refinements, with a faster, more responsive touchscreen, an improved and simplified menu system, and greater customization options for pro workflows. The LPE19 battery continues to impress, reliably powering the camera for over 1,000 shots on a single charge, ideal for demanding assignments. Altogether, the EOS R3 Mark II is a powerhouse built for decisive moments, combining unmatched autofocus precision, blazing speed, and professional reliability. For photographers who need a camera that responds instantly and intelligently to fast-moving subjects, the R3 Mark II delivers a shooting experience that few, if any, rivals on the market can match. The Canon EOS R3 Mark II, though designed first and foremost as a stills powerhouse, proves itself equally formidable in the video department, offering creators an impressive suite of features that elevate it into true hybrid territory. Capable of oversampled 6K video recording internally at up to 60p, it ensures exceptional sharpness and detail, while also delivering 4K 120p for silky smooth, high frame rate capture that's perfect for slow motion work. With 10-bit 4:2:2 internal recording and support for Canon Log 3 and Log 2, the R3 Mark II provides wide dynamic range and immense grading flexibility, making it a serious contender for cinematic productions as well as professional broadcast environments. Video autofocus is one of its strongest assets, with smooth, sticky subject tracking that locks on reliably, even during complex focus transitions, while advanced eye and subject recognition ensures a natural, professional look without hunting. Complementing this is Canon's highly effective in-body image stabilization system, which, when paired with optically stabilized RF lenses, delivers rock-solid handheld footage, a critical advantage for documentary, fieldwork, and fast-paced run-and-gun shooting. Where the R3 Mark II truly differentiates itself from rivals, however, is in its connectivity. With a pro-oriented wired LAN port, next-gen Wi-Fi 6, and USB-C tethering options, the camera integrates effortlessly into demanding workflows, whether you're transmitting images in real time to a wire service, live streaming an event, or tethered shooting in a studio environment. The dual card configuration, featuring both CF Express Type B and SD slots, provides not only the blazing fast speeds needed for high bitrate video, but also redundancy for professional peace of mind. Altogether, this blend of pro-grade stills performance, uncompromising video capability, and cutting-edge connectivity makes the EOS R3 Mark II one of the most versatile and future-proof hybrid cameras on the market, catering seamlessly to the needs of photographers and videographers alike. That's it for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up, leaving a comment, and subscribing to the channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell icon so you never miss out on our latest videos.